Good looking shoebox here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1953 Ford Customline Tudor sedan. Flathead V8 power underneath the hood. Manual transmission, 3 on the column. By the way, the flathead has been rebuilt. Actually, the restoration work on this car was done between 2021 and 22. Take a look at that chrome up front. Don't see them made like that these days. Bright work looking good. Paint coat in this car is E, so an original Timberline green car. This one looking a lot like it would have back in 1953. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the steel wheels, Ford center cap, and beauty rings. White wall radials. Technician did note the tires are in good shape, but they are getting up there in age. Let's take a look down this passenger side. There is a manila envelope that will come with a bunch of miscellaneous receipts and just paperwork kind of during the restoration process of it. You can see that bright work. It looks good up and down the side of it. Paint shows well. Nice shine to it. Interior's been redone. Very nice interior, seat belts added. Stock looking dash. Probably the original paint on that dash also. Couple notes from the technician on this one. Did mention the radio was in op. Drives out very nicely. Brakes straight. Brakes are 50% in the front, 70% in the rear. Very minor powertrain seat was the only thing they noted. Otherwise, get in it, turn the key and go. Chrome in the rear bumper, dual exhaust. All look good back here. As you can see, nice reflection in that paint. Ford emblems, some chrome, nice shape. Little pitting around the bright work on the insides of the tail lights, but nothing too major there. And once again, all those still pictures, there's over 100 online, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like these early to mid 50s Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Take a look at the paint and the bright work up and down the driver's side. Also in nice shape. Let's go ahead and take a little closer look at the interior. So door panels have been redone. Look good. You'll be able to do any decoding you would like in the tag. That will be in the still pictures. Seats looking good. Nice fabric combination. I think we should fire this up. Doesn't take much to start that flatty. Dash looks good. Stock radio, as I mentioned, was in op. Appears the gauges are working at oil pressure, fuel, temp, amp meter. This is a 6-volt system. Headliner looks good. This is a nice fabric too. It's got a rich feel to it. Door closes nicely. Sounds good. Nothing crazy over the top as exhaust goes. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get the hood open. Check out that engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around and Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the underside of the hood. flat black, normal. And here it is. Good looking flathead too. Nice engine bay. Running smooth, looks good, sounds good underneath there. 1953 Ford Customline Tudor sedan. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those pics, look at the undersides. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1953 Ford Customline. This is a two-door, 3-on-the-tree manual transmission Ford. On the steering wheel it says 50th anniversary, 1903 to 1953. So kind of a commemorative edition in a way. Oil pressure right in the middle of the gauge, that's 40 psi. On the factory gauges, and the fuel tank showing a little over half of the tank. Temperature gauge almost halfway up, and the amps are in the middle of the gauge. Speedometer working. Cool looking speedometer needle, like an arrowhead. I haven't gotten any sound out of the radio, but the wipers work. The blower motor also blows air. Nice looking, almost new looking carpeted floor mats. Door panels look great, seats look great, headliner. It's been well done with this car. A little bit of slack in the steering. That's to be expected from an early 50s model. Not enough to cause any difficulty in driving. Nice smooth ride otherwise. And both our turn signals are working. Spacious back seat for a two-door car from 1953. Let's go down to second gear and take the traffic circle with a little bit of speed. Luxurious in the corners, easy to steer. We've got seat belts matching the green in this car. Those would be added as seat belts didn't come real popular in the late 60s. Very smooth running car. Got the choke out just a little, it likes that. And a nice smooth ride on the highway. Take a look at all the pictures of this 53 Ford at uniqueclassiccars.com.